CVMC, EC, NMMC, Triple E. Unit 5, Vector Integration. Lesson 14. Problem 36. Apply Stokes theorem to evaluate integral over C y dx plus z dy plus x dz, where C is the curve of intersection of x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square and x plus z is equal to a. This is a sphere. This represents a plane. Lie on xz plane. Solution. We know Stokes theorem. Integral over C f bar dot dr bar integral is equal to integral over S curl f bar dot n bar ds. Given integral over C y dx plus z dy plus x dz. This is nothing but your f bar dot dr bar is y dx plus z dy plus x dz, yi bar plus zj bar plus xk bar dot dxi bar plus dyj bar plus dzk bar dr bar. This is f bar. So according to given one, we get f bar is, instead of dx you write I bar, instead of dy you write j bar, instead of dz you write k bar. So your f bar is equal to yi bar plus zj bar plus xk bar. Curl f bar is equal to determinant I bar, j bar, k bar, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Third row, I bar, j bar, k bar coefficients of f bar, y, z, x. Expanding I bar, deleting this row and column, dou x by dou y, 0. X derivative with respect to y, x constant, 0. Dou z by dou z, 1. Minus j bar, deleting this round column, dou x by dou x, 1 minus 0. Plus k bar, deleting this round column, dou by dou x of z, 0 minus 1. So this is equal to minus I bar minus j bar minus k bar. So given sphere x square plus y square plus z square a square, plane x plus z is equal to a. Observe the diagram. X, y, z. X plus z is plane. In this plane, intersection is nothing but circle. C means circle. AB is the diameter. This is sphere. Now here phi is x plus z minus a. Del phi, we have to find unit vector n bar. Definition: I bar dou phi by dou x plus j bar dou phi by dou y plus k bar dou phi by dou z. I bar x derivative 1 plus j bar into y derivative 0 plus k bar into z derivative 1. So this is nothing but I bar plus k bar. unit normal vector n bar is equal to del phi by mod del phi. I bar plus k bar by root over I bar coefficient whole square j k bar coefficient whole square. So I bar plus k bar by root 2. Curl F bar dot n bar is equal to minus of I bar plus j bar plus k bar dot I bar plus k bar by root 2 is equal to minus of I bar dot I bar 1. No j bar here, k bar dot k bar 1 by root 2. So minus 2 by root 2 minus root 2 minus root 2. Now this is your curl F bar dot n bar. So integral over C F bar dot dr bar is equal to integral over S curl F bar dot n bar ds is equal to integral over S minus root 2 ds minus root 2 integral ds is S minus root 2. S means area of the circle. Area of the circle. So minus root 2 pi r square AB is the diameter by 2 whole square. AB is the diameter by 2 is nothing but radius, pi r square formula. We have to find AB. Look here, this A is x plus z is equal to A. So A 0 point. B is 0 A. A is A 0 B is 0 A. AB distance between 2 points root over A minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus A whole square. Distance between 2 points root over A square plus A square 2A square root 2A. This is your AB. This is your AB root 2A. This is margin. Now here minus root 2 pi AB is root 2A by 2 whole square. So minus root 2 pi 2A square by 4. We get 2 cancel 2 times, root also cancel, root 2 times. So minus pi A square by root 2. This is your final value. Problem 37. Evaluate by Stokes theorem. Integral over C x plus y dx plus 2x minus z dy plus y plus z dz, where C is the boundary of the triangle with vertices 0 0 0 1 0 0 and 1 1 0. Solution. We know Stokes theorem. Integral over C closed F bar dot dr bar is equal to integral over s curl f bar dot n bar ds. So given one is integral over c closed x plus y dx plus 2x minus z dy plus y plus z dz. So comparing, this is nothing but f dot dr bar. What is your f bar? Instead of dx, dy, dz, you write I bar, j bar, k bar. X plus y into I bar plus 2x minus z into j bar plus y plus z into k bar. Observe the triangle vertices 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0. Clearly here z coordinate 0 in 3 points. By given vertices z is equal to 0, that represents xy plane, in xy plane n bar is equal to k bar, ds is equal to dx dy. Now draw the diagram. X, Y, Z 0 0 1 0 1 1 O A B. This is your triangle lies in xy plane. So find now your f bar is x plus y I bar z 0. So plus 2x j bar plus yk bar. So dr bar is dx I bar. So we need not write this one. We have to use Stokes theorem. So find curl f bar, determinant I bar, j bar, k bar, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Here third row, I bar, j bar, k bar coefficients of f bar, x plus y, 2x, y. So expanding determinant, we get this one I bar plus k bar. So curl f bar dot n bar is I bar dot k bar 0, k bar dot k bar is 1. Now integral over c f bar dot dr bar is equal to integral over s curl f bar dot n bar ds integral over s. Curl f bar dot n bar is 1 ds. Integral ds is s. S means so integral over c f bar dot dr bar is equal to integral over s curl f bar dot n bar ds. Stokes theorem. Integral over s, this is 1 ds. Integral ds is s. S means area of the triangle OAB half into base into height OA into OB 1 by 2 into 1 into 1, that is 1 by 2. Problem 38. Use Stokes theorem to evaluate double integral over s curl f bar dot ds bar over the surface of the paraboloid z plus x square plus y square is equal to 1. Z is greater than equal to 0, where f bar is equal to yi bar plus zj bar plus xk bar. So Stokes theorem, we know Stokes theorem. We know Stokes theorem. Integral over s f bar dot dr bar is equal to integral over s or double integral over s whatever it may be. Curl F bar dot N bar ds, nothing but ds bar. So you write double integral over s curl F bar dot ds bar is equal to integral over s F bar dot dr bar. Solution Buino-Stokes theorem statement. You write this step here, this step here. Here F bar is given yi bar plus zj bar plus xk bar dot dr bar dxi bar plus dyj bar plus dzk bar. Taking dot product integral over c y dx plus z dy plus x dz. Z greater than equal to 0 is given. So taking z is equal to 0. This becomes integral y dx. Paraboloid z plus x square plus y square is equal to 1 becomes x square plus y square is equal to 1. Represents a circle. Parametric equations are x is equal to cos theta, y is equal to sin theta, dx dy. Theta varies from 0 to 2 pi, complete circle. Now double integral over s curl F bar dot ds bar is equal to integral over c F bar dot dr bar integral over c. This value is integral y dx z0. Now using parametric equations 0 to 2 pi sin theta into minus sin theta d theta minus integral 0 to 2 pi sin square theta d theta minus 2 into 0 to pi again 2 into 0 to pi by 2 sin square theta d theta. Now using Wallis formula 1 by 2 into pi by 2. Wallis formula already given to you in lesson 2. 2 to cancel, we get minus pi. This is our final answer. Problem 39. Using Stokes theorem, evaluate the integral over say F bar dot dr bar, where F bar is equal to, and see the boundary of the triangle whose vertices are 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 2, 2, 0. Solution. Do homework. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 model. Problem 37 model. Do this one homework. Problem 40. We know Stokes theorem. Integral over c F bar dot dr bar equal to over s curl F bar dot n bar ds. Here F bar is given yi bar plus x z cube j bar minus zy cube k bar. Z is given 1.5. So F bar is yi bar plus x 1.5 whole cube j bar 1.5 y cube k bar. yi bar plus 1.5 means 15 by 10, 3 by 2, 3 cube, 27 by 8 x j bar, 15 by 10, 3 by 2, y cube k bar. So this represents xy plane. So first you find curl F bar. Determine I bar, j bar, k bar. Second row dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Your third row I bar, j bar, k bar coefficients of F bar. Y 27 by 8 x minus 3 by 2 y cube is equal to I bar. Deleting this one column, dou by dou y of this one 3y square. So minus 9 by 2 y square minus 0 minus j bar into deleting this row column 0 0 plus k bar deleting this round column this round column 27 by 8 x derivative 1 minus 1. So this is equal to minus 9 by 2 y square I bar plus 27 by 8 minus 1 19 by 8 19 by 8 k bar. In xy plane n bar is equal to k bar, ds is equal to dx dy, curl f bar dot n bar is, we get 19 by 8 into over c f bar dot dr bar is equal to Stokes theorem into over s, this value 19 by 8 ds 19 by 8 integral ds is s means area of the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4 is equal to 19 by 8 into pi r square 4, we get 38 pi by 4. So 19 pi by 2. Problem 41. Evaluate by Stokes theorem into over c yz dx plus zx dy plus xy dz, where c is the circle x square plus y square equal to 1, z is equal to y square. Solution. We know Stokes theorem statement is there. Here z is equal to y square is given. Circle x square plus y square is equal to 1 is a circle in xy plane. So clearly the surface is xy plane is given. Now instead of z you write y square here. First you write f bar. So f bar is equal to yz I bar plus zx dy bar plus xy k bar. Put z is equal to y square here. We get this one. Now you find curl f bar. Determinant I bar, j bar, k bar. First row, second row, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Third row, I bar, j bar, k bar, coefficients of f bar. Y cube xy square xy is equal to I bar. Deleting row and column, dou by dou y of xy, x constant, y derivative 1, x minus 0 minus j bar. Deleting this round column, dou by dou x of xy, y constant, x derivative 1, y minus 0 plus k bar. Deleting this round column, dou by dou x of this one, y square, dou by dou y of this one, minus 3y square is equal to xi bar minus yj bar minus 2y square k bar. In xy plane n bar is equal to k bar, ds is equal to dx dy. So curl f bar dot n bar xi bar minus yj bar minus 2y square k bar dot k bar is equal to minus 2y square. K bar dot k bar is 1, j bar dot k bar 0, I bar dot k bar 0. So minus 2y square. Curl f bar dot n bar. So integral over c f bar dot dr bar into over s curl f bar dot n bar ds is equal to double integral minus 2y square. Ds is dx dy. Dx is dx dy. Now given circle x square plus y square is equal to 1. Given circle polar coordinates are x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, dx dy is equal to r dr d theta. R varies from 0 to circle. R equal 0 to radius 1. Theta complete circle. Theta equal 0 to theta equal 2 pi. Theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. So in xy plane n bar equal to k bar, ds is equal to dx dy, curl F bar dot n bar is xi bar minus yj bar minus 2y square k bar dot k bar, nothing but minus 2y square into over c F bar dot dr bar into over s, curl F bar dot n bar ds double integral minus 2y square dx dy. Given circle x square plus y square is equal to 1. Polar coordinates are x equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, dx dy equal to r dr d theta. R varies from 0 to 1, theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. So integral over c F bar dot dr bar is equal to minus 2 integral 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 1, y square means r square sin square theta, dx dy means r dr d theta, minus 2 integral 0 to 2 pi sin square theta d theta, r square into r cube. So minus 2, 2 into 0 to pi, 2 into 0 to pi by 2. So 2 into 2 into 2, 0 to pi by 2 sin square theta. Use values formula r power 4 by 4. So minus 2, 4 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. 4 cancel. This is 1 by 4 minus 2 pi by 4 minus pi by 2.